In this video, I'll talk about how you can enable CFD trading on eToro. Now this is really easy, guys. What you want to do is create your account and get it fully accepted. So head over to the website and make sure you verify your account completely. Once you've done that, you just want to select anything that you want to trade. So it can be stock or forex or whatever. Click on it and then click on the trade button. Once you're in there, and this is depending on your region and stuff, but you might be able to use leverage, which means you can use 2x leverage, which means you're going to trade double the amount of volume. So if you have $100, you're going to have $200 of buying power if you're using 2x leverage. Now, you can also do long or short positions and simply select the one, type in the amount, and then click open trade to confirm the trade. So that is basically how this works. It's really simple and you don't need to enable anything, it's automatically on. So that's how it's done, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.